Hello guys, if you're trying to uninstall Roblox and you are getting this message here, Windows cannot found, Roblox Player Installer.exe, that's what you need to do. First of all, you need to get a Revo uninstaller. It's completely free. You need to go to RobloxInstall.com and download it. And once you have the uninstaller here, I will show you what you need to do next. So load up an installer, then on search you need to write Roblox. Then you need to just click on it and right click and press uninstall. And then you can make restore point if you want to, but for me, I don't need it. And then you need to wait here, advanced, scan, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then you get this window here. Make sure all the file is selected, press next, press yes, and your Roblox player will be uninstalled and you will not be getting any error messages here, right? Finish. And then if we go on the installed apps, as you can see here, still there is this thing here, but it should be gone. Then try again, uninstall, again continue, and scan. And last time I did not basically delete files, so press delete here. I don't know why, but I misclicked. And delete as well here, all the files that is selected. And after that, should be no Roblox player here. And on installed apps, it should be no Roblox player as well here. All right. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more.